I need your help troubleshooting mobile home electric furnace problems.
I'm assuming you have paid the electric bill and the electric furnace is wired incorrectly.
It has not changed for a long time.
I'm also assuming you've checked the breaker to make sure the circuit breaker is connected to hasn't tripped or that there isn't a fuse blown out.
At least you were not asking if I haven't paid the electric bill.
I would ask if you've had a brownout or blackout. Even a brownout may mean the unit shuts down for lack of power, necessitating a restart to bring it back up.
I've had to restart it or reset it recently.
If there's a problem like a dirty filter such that it shuts down for lack of air or dirty flame sensor so it doesn't recognize the flame is on, it will shut off.
It's an electric furnace, so there's no flame sensor.
If it thinks it is overheating, it will turn off. Better a cold house than burning merrily.
If the thing does not come on or stay on, what can I check?
If it does not come on, I'd ask if the furnace is turned on and there isn't an emergency lockout keeping it turned off.
I have not flipped a switch like that.
If it has cycled on and off more than 2 or 3 times, an emergency lockout may turn it off until you turn it off at the breaker before turning it back on.
Ah, a hard reboot for the control panel.
That does not solve a problem that kills it like water in the unit causing it to shut down.
I know gas furnaces have problems with condensate, but that shouldn't be an issue with an electric one.
Whether your utility closet flooded or there's a leaking roof causing the control panel to short, I don't know, but either can cause it to shut down.
I know flooded electronics are likely dead.
If you're lucky, it is just a dead digital thermostat or dead batteries in the thermostat remote control that won't turn it on.
I do not have a remote, just turn the thermostat at the wall.
Changing the filters and checking what the error messages mean is something you can do. Oiling a blower motor is outside most people's skills, though making sure nothing fell off the ceiling and wedged in the fan is something you could do.
I'd be able to at least tell what was wrong from the extra racket, but now it is not making much noise.
Look at the electric furnace and see if the heating element is lighting up or dead, just in case the heating element died.